Welcome to the Complete Beginner's Guide to Microsoft PowerPoint. In this guide, you will learn how to become proficient in PowerPoint. Whether you're a student, a professional, or anyone looking to enhance their presentation skills, PowerPoint is a powerful tool to create, edit, and share professional-looking presentations to effectively convey your message. When you first open PowerPoint, you'll arrive at the home screen, which serves as your starting point for creating presentations. In the top left corner of the screen, there's an option to start with a blank presentation, which is perfect if you prefer a clean slate. Alternatively, right next to that, you'll find various pre-designed themes. Exploring these themes can save you time and give your presentation a polished look, as they're designed to meet diverse presentation needs. If you don't find what you're looking for immediately, you can access a broader selection of themes and templates by either clicking on New on the top left or More Themes near the Themes section. Both options will direct you to a comprehensive collection where you can choose the best fit for your presentation's theme. Once you decide to start your presentation, either with a blank slide or a template, you want to save your work early to avoid losing any progress. Clicking the floppy disk icon in the upper left corner or using the shortcut Ctrl and S will open the Save dialog. Here, I recommend naming your file appropriately. For instance, Takao Tutorial Presentation. You can choose where to save your file, whether it be on your local disk or OneDrive, Microsoft's cloud service. This initial setup is crucial, as it lays the foundation for creating a compelling presentation that not only looks professional, but also resonates with your audience. Once your PowerPoint presentation is saved and secure, you're all set to start building it. On your screen, you'll see your first slide, which is typically the title slide. Here, you can enter the main title and a subtitle for your presentation. Adding more slides is a fundamental next step as your presentation develops. In PowerPoint, you can easily add new slides by using the New Slide button found in the Home tab of the ribbon. There are shortcuts too. Pressing Ctrl and M quickly inserts a new slide. Alternatively, if you're managing your slides from the left sidebar, you can simply hit Enter on a new line and add another slide. PowerPoint allows you to select different layouts for your slides to suit the type of content you plan to present. You might choose a layout with section headers for topics that need clear differentiation. To change the layout of an existing slide, click the Layout drop-down menu accessible from the Home tab, or use the Layout icon in a Slide mini toolbar. As you build out your presentation, navigating through slides is straightforward. Use the arrow keys to move up or down between slides. This is especially helpful when organizing your slides into a coherent flow. If at any point you need to reorder your slides, you can simply click and drag a slide to its new position. Holding down the Ctrl key lets you select and move multiple slides simultaneously. Another useful feature is the Slide Sorter view, accessible from the bottom right of the interface, which provides a bird's-eye view of your presentation layout, making reordering even easier. As you finalize the structure of your presentation, you might decide to remove slides that no longer fit. You can delete a slide by right-clicking the slide and selecting Delete, or by pressing the Delete key while the slide is selected. This helps keep your presentation concise and focused on key messages. Remember, the ability to flexibly add, remove, and rearrange slides is crucial as you refine your presentation to ensure it effectively communicates your message and aligns with your audience's expectations. Now that your outline is set, it's time to infuse your presentation with a visual appeal that captures your audience's attention. Let's enhance the aesthetics by applying a theme that aligns with your content and brand identity. Navigate to the Design tab at the top of PowerPoint. Here, you'll find a variety of themes ready to apply to your presentation. Hovering over each theme gives you a preview, making it easier to choose the one that best suits your needs. Once you select a theme, you can further customize its appearance by exploring the Variants section. This allows you to adjust the color schemes and background styles, giving you control of the visual tone of your presentation. If you prefer a more customized theme, PowerPoint's Slide Master view is the perfect tool. This feature allows you to design a base template that will be applied across all slides in your presentation. In the Slide Master view, you can modify everything from background colors and fonts to adding logos and other graphic elements. Once you have your design set, you can begin adding detailed content to your slides. When dealing with text-heavy slides, consider converting the text into a smart art graphic to make the information more digestible and visually engaging. Smart art transforms bullet points into dynamic visuals, which not only makes your slides less cluttered, but also more informative. Furthermore, you can enhance the visual appeal of your smart art by adjusting its design and colors to match your overall presentation theme. And to put a cherry on top, adding humorous or light-hearted content can make your presentation more engaging and memorable. These tools and features in PowerPoint allow you to create a professional and appealing presentation that not only conveys your message effectively, but also captures and retains your audience's attention. With your PowerPoint presentation taking shape, it's important to customize each slide to convey the right message while keeping it visually engaging. When dealing with sensitive information, clarity and caution are key. To mark a slide as confidential, you first need to communicate this visually. Start by selecting the Insert tab, which offers a variety of options to enhance your slide. For basic labeling, choose Text Box from the menu and click on a slide where you want to add the text. Type confidential into the new text box. Once the text is placed, you can make it stand out. Head to the Home tab to adjust the font settings. Choose a font you want to use. Set the font size to large to ensure it's immediately noticeable. You can also adjust the text color to something that stands out yet integrates with the slide's overall design. For further customization, access the Shape Format tab. Here you can fine-tune the appearance of your text box. Adjust settings like transparency to ensure the label is visible without overshadowing the main content. Use the alignment guides that appear as you move your text box to perfectly center it on your slide. To add the visual context to your slide, head back under the Insert tab. Click on Pictures and either find relevant pictures from your PC or choose Stock Images to find high-quality images relevant to your content. Once inserted, these images can be adjusted and styled using the picture format tools. You can change color tones or apply artistic effects to align with the presentation style. This integration of text and images not only ensures your presentation is informative and appealing, but also clearly communicates the sensitive nature of the information. Using these tools effectively helps maintain a professional tone when ensuring that your presentation is engaging and clear to the audience. As we approach the final touches of your PowerPoint presentation, ensuring that each element on your slide is visible and effective in conveying its intended message is crucial. Let's see how to manage layering and animations to make your presentation dynamic and engaging. When dealing with overlapping objects on your slide, such as a confidential label that ends up behind a photo, it's important to adjust the layering. Right-click the text and select Bring to Front to ensure it stays visible. Alternatively, use the Selection pane under the Shape Format tab to manage the stacking order of all objects on a slide. You can hide elements temporarily by clicking on the eye icon next to the object in the Selection pane, useful for decluttering your view as you work on other elements. For presenting detailed slides effectively, consider using animations to control the flow of information. This not only keeps the audience engaged, but also helps them focus on one point at a time. In the Animations tab, add an animation like Fade In to each object in a text box. To make each item appear sequentially rather than all at once, adjust the animation settings using Effect options and set them to Start on Click. This way, each click will bring the next item to view, allowing for structured and impactful presentation. Moving on inserting data visualizations, use the Insert tab to add a chart to your presentation. This can be a powerful way to represent data visually, making it easier for your audience to understand complex information. You can insert and customize charts directly in PowerPoint, with options similar to those in Excel, such as changing the chart type, color, and style. To highlight key achievements or data points, drawing attention to them can be effectively achieved with visual cues. Insert a shape, such as a circle, around the key data point using the Shapes option under the Insert tab. Customize the shape's appearance by adjusting the Shape Fill to No Fill and Shape Outline to match a color from your presentation, enhancing visibility and focus. These techniques not only enhance the professional appearance of your presentation, but also ensure that your audience can easily follow and retain the information presented. Now, before finalizing your presentation, head to the Slideshow tab in your top navigation. When you're ready to present, you can start your slideshow from the beginning or from the current slide. You can also use the shortcut F5 to launch your presentation. During the presentation, you'll notice controls at the bottom of the screen, accessible by moving your mouse. These controls include options like opening a laser pointer from the right-click menu, which can help highlight key points during your talk. To exit the slideshow at any time, simply press the escape key. And that's it. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.